This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 59, Case Study II Internet of Health Things Part A. The integration of renewable energy sources like solar PV presents challenges due to their intermittent nature, posing risks to grid stability as their penetration increases. Mobile loads and the anticipated growth of electric vehicles in India can lead to voltage regulation issues in the distribution network, necessitating careful analysis and planning. Excess solar generation during off-peak hours can cause voltage rise and reverse power flow in distribution networks, creating unique scenarios that require examination, as observed in academic campuses like IIT Roorkee. IIT Roorkee's 11th and 415V distribution system serves as a research platform for modeling solar rooftops and analyzing voltage profiles, with simulations conducted to optimize the sizing and location of battery energy storage systems using MILP formulation. The simulated network solutions are validated through lab hardware-in-the-loop experiments, where a PHIL setup with a battery emulator, bidirectional converter, and VEECT controller integration enables PWM generation and synchronization with the network for controlling BESS, charging and discharging. An existing microgrid architecture at IIT Roorkee's EE department, coupled with optimization tools, has identified locations for deploying additional BESS units to optimally utilize rooftop solar across the campus, providing functionalities such as peak energy management, smoothing of solar fluctuations, enabling better renewable utilization, and ensuring uninterrupted supply with improved voltage and frequency regulation. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.